Hi, I am back once again with another Jasper Report tutorial, and today we will see how we can add text field where the Crosstab report ends in a JasperSoft Studio. So without wasting much of your time, let's start the tutorial. At first, you need to create a Crosstab report. I have already created a Crosstab report. Add text field in Crosstab report bottom and use text field as you need. I am adding text field for inward of total salary. And add some text field for signature option. Go to the appearance option, position type, select fix relative to bottom. Run report. That it's for today. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.